In this video, we'll cover the 3 best Baofeng Walkie Talkies for 2025, perfect for outdoor adventures, emergency prep, or professional use. With powerful range, reliable performance, and upgraded features, these models stand out in the world of two-way radios. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below, so let's jump right in. Number 3. Baofeng UV-21 Pro V2. The Baofeng UV-21 Pro V2 is a powerful two-way ham radio designed for long-range communication. Whether you are hiking in the wilderness, camping, or just need a reliable means of communication, this device is perfect for you. One of the standout features of the UV-21 Pro V2 is its Type-C USB charging capability. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key. You can easily charge this radio in your car, with a power bank, or even using your laptop. It is incredibly portable, making it an excellent addition to your emergency go kit. Now, let's talk about its wireless copy frequency feature. By simply pressing the menu button, you can access the frequency scan interface. With another press of the menu button, the UV-21 Pro V2 will automatically search for any radio transmission frequency and privacy code. This makes communication seamless and efficient. No more tedious manual frequency adjustments. The device boasts a stunning 1.77-inch high-definition display, offering 2 different modes for frequency and channel. This ensures that you have the information you need at a glance, whether you are in the field or at home. Another fantastic feature is the built-in LED flashlight. It can transform into a powerful spotlight in seconds, making it an invaluable tool for emergencies or nighttime activities. The UV-21 Pro V2 is not just user-friendly, it is also highly programmable. You can program it via computer software or directly using the keypad. Adjust settings like VOX squelch and power save levels effortlessly. And for those moments of relaxation, enjoy the FM radio function covering a frequency range of 65 to 108 MHz. Listen to your favorite music or catch up on the news without missing a call thanks to the dual watch function. Number 2. Baofeng DR-1801. The Baofeng DR-1801 DMR digital walkie-talkie is a dual time slot, analog Tier 1 and Tier 2, long-range, dual-band, two-way radio. It features an impressive 1,024 channels, ensuring you have plenty of options for communication. The Baofeng DR-1801 DMR digital walkie-talkie is a dual time slot, analog Tier 1 and Tier 2, long-range, dual-band, two-way radio. It features an impressive 1,024 channels, ensuring you have plenty of options for communication. This model is an upgraded version of the DM-1801 and includes new programming software that is compatible with the PL2303 programming cable. This upgrade simplifies the process of programming your digital two-way radio. If you require the new programming software, feel free to reach out to us for assistance. The Baofeng DR-1801 features a vibrant 1.44-inch LCD color display. It operates in dual bands, covering frequencies from 136 to 147 MHz and 400 to 470 MHz. With both digital and analog modes, as well as dual time slots, this device offers enhanced privacy and flexibility. The DR-1801 achieves the highest output power levels for handheld devices and is compatible with repeaters. This capability ensures stronger signals and extended communication distances, making it ideal for various outdoor activities. One of the standout features is the ability to send and receive text messages. With this digital walkie-talkie, you can easily communicate with friends and receive messages from other DMR devices. The Baofeng DR-1801 includes multiple functionalities, such as channel scanning, manual programming, DTMFV, FOSMS and emergency alarm, and digital remote monitor mode. With a high-performance energy-saving design, the 2,200 mAh battery supports up to 17 hours of working time and 30 hours of standby time, fully charging in just 4 hours. Number 1. Baofeng DMR M1701. The Baofeng DMR M1701 digital walkie-talkie is designed for dual-mode operation, supporting both digital and analog communication. With dual band coverage of 136 to 174 MHz and 400 to 520 MHz, this device is incredibly versatile. It features up to 3,000 channels, 10,000 digital talk groups, and 120,000 contacts, ensuring you stay connected. The DM1701 is equipped with a vibrant 1.77-inch color-thin film transistor display. This display allows for easy navigation through the device's extensive features. The walkie-talkie can scan both analog and digital channels, offering manual programming, dual-tone multi-frequency, variable frequency oscillator, short message service, emergency alarm functions, digital monitor mode, continuous tone-coded squelch system, and digital-coded squelch system functionalities. Additionally, there are 5 customized keys for quick access to your preferred features. Baofeng has ensured that the DM1701 is future-proof with updated software and firmware support. The customer programming software supports mass editing, allowing users to create complex applications effortlessly. Furthermore, firmware and software upgrades for new functions are provided free for a lifetime, ensuring that your device remains up to date. One of the most impressive features of the DM1701 is its DMO True 2 time slot capability. This allows for direct mode, dual slot communication, enabling 2 groups of calls to occur at the same frequency point simultaneously. This not only doubles communication efficiency, but also conserves frequency resources. The device is fully compatible with MOTO, TRBO TRI, and TRI-I, as well as other digital mobile radio devices. When you purchase the DM1701, you receive a free programming cable, software, and push-to-talk earpiece. The programming cable allows for easier personal computer programming and is compatible with Microsoft Windows 7, 8, and 10. Additionally, Baofeng provides an active online community for sharing tips and troubleshooting. There you have it, the top 3 Baofeng walkie-talkies in 2025 that deliver on range, clarity, and durability. Whether you're out on a hike or coordinating on a job site, these picks have you covered. Let us know your favorite model in the comments, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gear reviews and tech updates. Stay connected.